Hair repair. Burt's Bees pomegranate seed oil very volumizing shampoo is formulated to repair and revitalize flat, lackluster hair, all in a delicious pomegranate scent. Volumizing shampoo. Infused with antioxidant-rich pomegranate seed oil and avocado oil, our volumizing shampoo helps your hair turn up the volume. Reduce frizz. Gentle on hair and easy to rinse, Burt's Bees pomegranate seed oil very volumizing shampoo naturally reduces frizz and adds shine, while giving your hair beautiful volume and body. All natural. Enriched with 99.6% natural origin ingredients, our sulfate-free very volumizing shampoo is perfectly formulated to safely cleanse and nourish your hair. Complete hair care. Try using our pomegranate oil very volumizing shampoo followed by our pomegranate seed oil very volumizing conditioner to create your most beautiful, healthiest looking hair yet. Burt's Bees very volumizing shampoo with pomegranate leaves your hair looking fuller and feeling thoroughly thicker every time you use it. Formulated with antioxidant-rich pomegranate seed and jojoba's protein, a natural moisturizer, this nourishing shampoo will give you beautiful, full, healthy-looking hair. This gentle shampoo not only rinses easily and reduces frizz but also adds super shine to your hair. It's 99% natural and contains no sulfates, phthalate, parabens, petrolatum or synthetic fragrances. Top reviews from the United States. Natural and smells good. Sulfate-free, minimal harmful ingredients. Pleasant scent.